Hi there, this is Jacob of Jacob LE Video Production, and in this video I'm going to show you how to attach a video to your email signature. This is an amazing feature. It will let you introduce yourself to a lot more people, maybe people you've never even met in person. They'll be able to see your video, see what you're all about. It is amazing for business. All you'll do, you'll go to this gear icon in the top right corner and then hit Settings. And you'll want to scroll way down until you get to Signature. It may be on no signature, you can switch it over right here. So I'm going to do my name and then my website. And when I do this website, I'll select the text and click link. And since it's a website, it will just automatically link to that site. But for the video, we can either write out some text that links to the video or include an image. I find text works pretty well because you'll see they already give a clickable icon. So let's just do let me introduce myself to you. And if we click the link on this, it's going to ask what web address we want to display. So I'm going to go to my YouTube channel. And I'm actually going to go to my playlists because I do want it set up so if they follow the link and go to YouTube with it, that it's going to play the video within that playlist. So I'll show you an example. If it's within the playlist, you'll be able to see the related ones over here that are also mine, and it will autoplay. So I'm going to grab this link, which is different than the video by itself, and paste that into the web address. I think it is good to click this insert signature before quoted text and replies and remove the dash. Sometimes it would make it so people couldn't see my signature otherwise. So we will click Save Changes. It won't save unless you actually do that step. I'm going to do a test to myself. You can see that signature. Jacob LE Video Production, test. It's always good, to check it out, send a test, see what it's going to look like for other people. So you can see we have this big clickable video, which is awesome. This is not going to autoplay to other things if you do it within the window. But if you actually follow the link right here to YouTube, it is within this playlist right over there. So that is it. It's pretty straightforward. And I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Please click subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I come out with new videos. Thanks. I will see you in the next one.